Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Yema Cake. Start by gathering flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and milk and preheat your oven. Prepare a 9-inch pan by greasing and lining it with parchment. Separate eggs carefully and bring dairy to room temperature. Whisk wet ingredients until smooth, then fold in dry ingredients just until combined. This approach keeps the cake tender and helps you avoid overmixing. Beat eggs and sugar until the mixture is light and ribbon-like to trap air. Fold in sifted flour in 3 additions using a spatula to preserve volume. Pour batter into the prepared 9-inch pan and smooth the top gently. Bake at an even temperature and avoid opening the oven early to prevent collapse. Cool the sponge completely on a rack before slicing or applying Yema filling. Combine condensed milk, egg yolks, and butter in a saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly to avoid burning. When the mixture thickens and coats the spoon like a custard, remove from heat and stir in vanilla for aroma. Allow the Yema to cool until spreadable but still warm for easier application. Spread a generous layer between cake layers or as a topping for rich, creamy flavor that everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.